everyone, I am Ridhima and welcome to my channel. Today we will make a Halloween themed mandala which looks something like this. So let's get started. Step number 1. Material required. So first thing that you need is any sheet. I will be using an A4 size white colored sheet. You can use any sheet that you want to. Second, you will need black pens. I'll be using Sakura micron pens. You can use any black pens or any colored pens that you want to. Third, you need basic stationery which includes pencil, eraser, compass, ruler and a protractor. Step number 2. Basic outlines. I will first make a border on my sheet which is 1 centimeter wide, and then I'll mark the middle point. Then I'll use my compass and make circles which will act as a reference for my further design. No measurement is required. Step number 3. The design. Since it is a Halloween themed mandala, I wanted to make ghosts which looks somewhat cute. So I made 2 ghost smileys. We'll draw these using pencil and then I'll secure using a pen. Step number 4. Basic outlining part 2. So to make it easier to make our mandala design, we will need some reference markings so that our design looks perfect. So for that, what I will do is I'll take my protractor and I'll mark points at a gap of 10, and then I'll join these dots with the center. Step number 5. The mandala design. Now this is my favorite step. You can go wild and make any design that you want to. There is no specific rules or no specific design that you have to make. You have your markings and you can be as creative as you want to. As they say, the world is your canvas, paint your own reality. I'll start by making some triangles around the middle circle. Then on one side I'll make a web. All you need to do is make slightly curved lines and join them. It's always better to first make your design using a pencil and later on you can secure it with a pen. Make sure that when you use your pencil, keep it very light on the paper. Otherwise, when you erase it afterwards, it can leave markings behind. On the other side of the circle, I'll make some petals and some lines. Now I'll fill the middle circle and leave a small space, a small circle and a small bubble. It looks good that way. And now I will add some check design on the same side. Aligned with our Halloween theme, I'll make skulls. I will use our already made markings as reference and make skulls on both the sides of the circle. I will use stick markers to fill the extra spaces and also draw some dots. erase the pencil marks very gently so that it doesn't ruin my paper. And tada! We are done! Isn't it super easy? I hope you guys like it. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and do like and share. Please don't forget to leave your feedback in the comments down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay safe and keep drawing.